What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick with MTO Productions. Come back. Got a bag full of stuff back here. We're going to show you what we're doing this weekend. What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick with MTO Productions. I hope this video is finding you well. I've got a trip going on this weekend. Actually, when this video comes out, I'll be on the trip. So I'm going to break down the gear I'm taking with me and show it to you. It's in this bag right here that you can see the top of. But I'll just bring you on over here to the workbench and we'll check it out together. Alright guys, so I've got my camera bag that I'm going to be taking with me. This one's got a rain cover I can put on it. So if it does start getting wet, I can cover this up. There's a good chance it's going to get wet. Anyway, so what have I got on the outside? Well, I've got the GoPro 2.0 pod. I will be taking that with me for handheld shots with the action cameras. Then I have a Joby tripod sitting here on the side that I can put my big camera on. This weekend I will be taking my Canon with me. I just decided last minute that I was going to take the Canon and not the Sony's. So anyway, let's dive into it. One of the things I'm going to be taking is going to be one of the Ulanza clamps. Do some really cool stuff with this. I'm hoping to be able to do some really cool stuff with this thing this coming weekend. Some different ways of mounting the GoPros or the action cams. Now, I will be taking my Hero 5. This will be mainly my dash cam that we'll put in the front windshield of the Jeep. I'll use, of course, the GoPro. There's nothing wrong. This is probably one of the best mounts they've ever put out as far as mounting GoPros or anything to windshields. You really get some good shots with this. And this combination, you'll see a lot of that in the video. I do, in case we were to go hiking or something, I don't know if we will, I do have a mount to go on a chest rig, on a chest back strap that I can throw a GoPro on if I want to do that. Batteries, tons of batteries. If I decide I want to get off, we can get off the beaten trail or whatever, and I want to do some hiking, take some pictures with the Canon, I do have my Peak Design strap with me. If the sun shall do its thing and come out and see us and not be rainy cloudy the whole time, I do have an ND filter to throw on the Canon. So the Canon itself, well, this will be mounted on top, which I've always used this Boya. The exact model number is a Boya BYMM1. Take a look at that if you can. I've been using this microphone for quite some time, actually. This very microphone has been on a bunch of trips with the Canon. And then I'm taking my SL3. I've been shooting with this camera, I guess I'm going on 3 years with this thing now. Stock lens, 18 to 55. That's all I use on it. The lens filter is dirty. I need to wipe that down real good. I will do all that tomorrow night. Gonna make sure all my camera batteries for this are charged. I only have 3 batteries for this. I have a big SD card in here. I have a 128 gig SD card in here, so I can do a lot of pictures and a lot of video. I love shooting with this camera. The good thing about it is kind of one of the smaller Canons, so it's not as hard to hold in your hand as one of the big full-size ones. But the Sony would be probably a little bit better choice as far as size to hold. But this camera just shoots a lot better video. I won't be shooting 10 or 4K on this one, but I will have the abilities to, because this shoots in 4K. The Hero 5 shoots in 4K. And I have a new action camera. I'm not going to go into any great detail, but I'm going to use it this weekend. And let's just say I will not be buying any more GoPros. So that is my camera setup for this weekend. Not camera style equipment, but I will be taking my Anchor power bank, this big power bank. Probably needs to be charged, but I will be taking it with me. I can charge the GoPros and the new little camera you see. If I need to charge batteries, I can do that too. I do have and will have ways of charging at night if I need to do that. Always take extra SD cards. Then I've got this little bag right here. I call this my everything bag. That's got all kinds of goodies inside of it that I might need. Then if it's getting bad water, I do have a way of putting my camera in a waterproof bag to seal up the Canon if I need to put it away, if I see it's just useless out there because it's getting too wet. I will put it in this thing and store it away, and we'll just rely on the action cams we have with us. I have done that before. I keep first aid in this little in my bag always, all my bags, no matter what I'm doing. Another thing I'll throw out there, I keep these in the camera bag too, in case you need to wipe down a windshield. Maybe it has mud or something on it. And then the other thing I'll be taking, which will be my iPad Air, be using that for mapping kind of stuff, and I will have my GMRS radio with me. But that pretty much locks down the gear I will be taking this weekend. And of course I will have a phone mount in case I need to use my phone for something filming wise. But I have 3 total cameras that will be going on this trip. New one that I'm trying out. We're going to see how it works, see how it does. So it'll be like a 2-day, I think maybe 3-day trip that we'll be on, and hope to bring back a lot of footage that will be over on the other channel, Mid-10 Outdoors. But I will be doing some shorts for MTO Productions. But that's my loadout for this weekend. Taking the Canon, taking the GoPro Hero 5 for dash mounting, and maybe possibly mounting it in dangerous areas that we, trying stuff. And then this new thing. So more to come on this fairly soon. Anyways, guys, that's it for this one. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe, share, like, and all that other good stuff you can do and make this channel grow. I would sure appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one. Get out, shoot pictures, shoot videos, and make memories.